Hi, I'm Tom Pache, Product Manager for Interactive Displays at Epson America.
Today, I'd like to demonstrate how to connect to your Miracast-enabled Epson projector from a Windows PC. Let's get started.
You can attach your PC via Miracast and still have the ability to interact with your PC content wirelessly. This allows you to move more freely about the classroom, and connecting is easy. I come over to the whiteboard. I'm going to select screen mirroring, and then I'm going to come over to my PC. Simply left-click on the dialog box shown at the bottom right side of your Windows display. Select Project, select Duplicate to have your BrightLink display mirror your PC screen. Then select Find a wireless display to discover the projector. Once you see the projector, click on it and select Allow Mouse, Keyboard, Pen, and Touch from this device. This will allow you to use your interactive stylus wirelessly with the BrightLink. I'm now connected to the display. So all I have to do, come over to my Home button and select Screen Mirroring. And now I'm connected wirelessly to the display. If you have the optional touch module installed, you can use your fingertips to control the PC and annotate. Here's how it works. I simply select the mouse button at the bottom of the screen, and now I can pan through my content that's on the screen. I also have the ability to expand the image, reduce the image, and I can use my pen tools, my annotation tools, to highlight any content that I would want to show. So here I'm going to select the highlighter tool and the pen, and then I can highlight any content that I want to there. In a similar way, I can select the pen tool, and I'll go with the blue pen and select my line thickness. And here, if I just want to draw on the screen, I can do so as well. Thanks for joining us today and your interest in Epson BrightLink 700 series interactive displays.